Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin B complex naturally. Let's dive into understanding what these vital nutrients are and why your body needs them. The B complex includes 8 distinct vitamins, each playing a key role in your body's processes. Since they are water-soluble, your body doesn't store them, making consistent dietary intake essential for maintaining optimal health and energy levels. You can find a rich array of B vitamins in many everyday foods. Animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are particularly good sources, especially for vitamin B12. For those following plant-based diets, legumes, leafy green vegetables, and whole grains are fantastic options. Additionally, many breakfast cereals and nutritional yeast are fortified to help you meet your daily requirements. To get the most from your B vitamin-rich foods, focus on a varied diet and gentle cooking methods, as heat can reduce some vitamin levels. Maintaining a healthy gut is also crucial, as it plays a significant role in nutrient absorption. For example, stomach acid is important for releasing vitamin B12 from food. Including fermented foods and probiotics can support your gut health. Your lifestyle significantly impacts your B vitamin needs. Factors like stress, certain medications, and especially excessive alcohol consumption can deplete your body's B vitamin stores, making it harder to maintain adequate levels. It's important to be mindful of these influences and adjust your diet accordingly. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Prioritizing a balanced lifestyle supports your overall B vitamin status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.